Alright, this is Seb's first attempt at a home-built boat using air hog airplane parts. So let's take a look at this boat. If you notice, we've got the two propellers as well as the electronic control unit, Seb's home-crafted boat out of foam, and his landing barge. Alright, Seb, let's put it in the water. See how this works. Woo! Alright, now let's just use the boat by itself. Yeah, without the landing barge. Woo! I'm sure it meant to turn left. There it goes, across the pool. Not too bad for a home-built boat.